Alright, so today we are out testing the new tractor. I have to get more firewood into my storage because the autumn this year has been very cold and I have already burned up the firewood I put in this summer. So now I have to get more inside and to get it dried really good before the winter sets in. So the tractor here, the Holland TD90, bought it the other day. This is actually the first trip I'm driving it, so I have to get familiar with it, test the different buttons, joysticks, how does it work, how does it operate. So we'll have to see about that. I will give a better review of the tractor when I'm more familiar with it afterwards. So the firewood here, I store the firewood or make the firewood in bags of 1500 liters, and I store them on pallets during the summer. 2 pallets to make sure that there isn't any moist getting up from the ground. When it's autumn, it's very dry, so if you make it in March, April, you have the whole summer for drying, and then it's already ready for use already in August and September. That's how I do it. There's different opinions about that, but that works for us here in the north. You already know we have the sheep that need more food to get bigger, so they are big enough for the winter. Now they have free disposal of hay, and we're gonna give them extra pellets, so they're getting bigger. We also have the lambs which need vaccines inside here, and they also are getting healthier and ready for join the rest of the flock. With me today I have with me my biggest fan, not a subscriber to the channel yet, but yeah, you can see it. That's her. That's Vilja. She's my dog, Norwegian elk hound. She's 7 years old, and together she joins me here in the barn very often, and together with that she joins me very often when I'm driving the tractor, and very much of the work I do I bring my dog with me so that we can spend the time together. We will go out on and feed now and give them some pellets and see how happy they get. Yeah, so you know that we make wood chips and sell for customers, mostly people who have horses, but we also use the wood chips ourselves. Here for the chips we have it in here. This is very small wood chips here, but we also have some areas with bigger chips. Keeps the ground dry. Sheep can lay down here, sleep well, the wool gets more clean and don't get so much dirt in the wool, so that's very good, and also dries up very well, so the wool is dry the whole winter long, even though it's snowing outside. For us, since we make it already, it's very cheap instead of using hay or having some people have steel or plastic in the bottom and let all the dirt go down in the basement. Yeah, so when you put wood chips, hay and also the pee from the chips together, you get
It's starting to get some kind of burning like compost, and in that way it doesn't build up. It just have one stable layer that burns from the underneath, and you have one even layer all the way. As I said, it's very cheap for us. It's also dry, keeps the wool clean, and yeah, the sheep like it, so we're happy with that. She enjoys being together with me here in the bar, and also when we are driving tractors. So I take her with me as most as I can. Okay, so it's too cold today that the last tractor would start. We need to have a booster there to get the battery going. It's 15 minus degrees Celsius today, and you can tell that by the tractor and all the exhaust smoke coming out there. You can see it's pretty white, so very cold for a tractor. Magnus is here. We're going up to cut down some trees, get a field ready for the spring. So let's get at the battery booster, try to get started on the last tractor. Alright, this is trees we have to cut down. As you see, they're in the middle of the field. And to get the field bigger, cut down the trees, and in the spring we're gonna make the field go where the forests are now. So we have bigger field. It's easier to drive with the tractor, and now we're gonna cut all the trees, fell them in the same direction on the field here, so that we can, when we are coming with the tractor later on, then it's very easy to just pick them up, put them on the timber wagon, and drive them back home and make wood chips of the trees. We only got start for the one tractor, so we have to do just the chopping today, and we will do later on we'll do the rest of the work with getting the trees back home. Magnus has already started. Probably can hear that, so we will see. Try to film it as best as we can while we're working.